What's going on, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're doing a full walk around on a 1968 Charger. This one here is a 383 up under the hood, good running and driving motor. The miles actually match the title, so it's a good indication, but I still cannot stand behind it. We're gonna be doing a little walk around. Any flaws that I can find, I will let you know. And check this out. I'm not gonna move it, I'm not gonna touch it because it's gonna fall apart. But look what's in the back of the seat. Y'all know what that is, right? We're gonna keep that inside the car here. We do have detailed pictures of that. We got up close, kind of moved it just a little bit, took some pictures, and we're gonna leave it in that seat because I'm sure it will crumble. That is a document from '68. MapleMotors.com will offer financing and shipping information. And hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed these videos. I do have a bunch of music I put up front, so check out Southgate Productions, another page that I'm also getting started on. The front bumper on this has been replaced. It's nice and clean going around the front end. Checking out the grille. Underneath the hood is nice and shiny, clean. Was a solid test drive, so definitely check out the test drive video. Tires on this car are in great shape. Got a vinyl top here, so I'm going to be feeling around, checking for any rust that I can find. I see some swirls on the paint job. Got some swirls on there. Bottom of the door is solid, panels are solid. Light little scratch right here in the back. This has some pitting in the chrome. Little tear in the top here. These tops are a lot tighter. Seat's pretty good though. Checking everything out. Weather stripping doesn't look too bad around this trunk lid. In fair shape here. Bumper in the back has been replaced as well. Tail lights are nice and clean looking. Trunk looks good. Check your jams. It's in great condition here. Go ahead and shut this down. Light scratches on the back here, that should buff out. Probably somebody set something down. I mean, these are huge workbenches, right? Look how big them trunks are. Gas cap. Vinyl top's not in that great condition. You see they got some silicone there. You can see it's stretching here. It's kind of stretching out on the edges. And guys, these cars, we get calls all the time asking why we don't get them in all the time. They're rare. I mean, a nice one is rare. And this one's just in decent shape. But if you've looked around, they go for a lot of money. and this one's on the cheaper side. That's for sure. It's in pretty good condition so far. I've been looking for any kind of chips, flaws, dents, scratches. This one's checking out, so the vinyl top's a little weak. All right, let's go ahead and check this interior out. Door panels in good shape. Leather stripping around the door panels in good shape as well. Checking the bottoms of the doors for any rust. Carpets looks pretty good. The seat itself a little stretched out, no holes. Well, maybe what this tape's covering up here. A little split in the seat there. Back seat, it's about the same condition. Package tray, headliner. A little hole in the headliner right in the middle. Maybe their fishing poles stuck through it. Go ahead and place your bets. You think the horn works on this? A little game we like to play on this channel. Gonna cross the dash. It's in pretty good shape. Sorry about the sun. The glare is getting to the camera here. Let's see. She was flooded a little bit. You can tell this car has been sitting a while. The carburetor was acting a little gunked up when I took off, and it got better towards the end of the video. Turn signal lights are cutting on. Alternator gauge is working. The fuel gauge looked like it was bouncing around and working. Oil pressure, not really moving. May need another oil pressure gauge. Speedometer was working. The clock was not. Got your parking lights and your lights. Got them on. You can see interior lights are on now. Windshield wipers, they do work. Radio does not work. Blower motor cuts on. It is weak. You can hear it flip on there. Sorry about that sun glare. I'm trying my best to keep it out. Sounds like a little bit of an exhaust leak right up under the driver's rear tire. Pretty quiet motor. All right, guys, I'm gonna give you all some undercarriage shots. We're gonna start up here in the front, go to the driver's side, the rear, and the passenger side. We do have detailed pictures at maplemotors.com, so definitely check that out. Let's look under this one. Across the hood as well. It's in great shape. Go back under this side. All right, guys, I do appreciate y'all watching. Definitely check out maplemotors.com for financing, shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, accessories. Hit that subscribe button. We do post videos every single day, or at least we try to. Actually, I'm going fishing, so I'll see y'all Monday. How about that? I've got everything caught up here at the lot. This is my last video for the week. I know it's only Wednesday, but I'm leaving tomorrow to Guntersville Lake, Alabama. So I'll see y'all Monday. Appreciate y'all watching. Later, guys.